Okay, so this is my clock reaction with the iodine, hydrogen peroxide, the vitamin C, and as you can see, mine didn't turn out blue, it turned out brown, which I don't find it to be a super big deal because the reaction still kind of worked. And as you can see, it didn't take very long either. I was a little bit off because I was cleaning up or I spilled a little bit, but even on the countertop right here, you could see the reaction change, which I thought was super cool. It wasn't just in the glass. And I think I had probably a little too much iodine because the reaction didn't take very long at all. I didn't do exact measurements. I just kind of played it kind of by ear, and the only one I measured was the hydrogen peroxide. But the reaction in this experiment with the iodine clock reaction works because it's the molecular iodine that undergoes the sudden concentration change. When the iodine concentration increases, it reacts with the starch in the solution to form a complex, turning into a deep blue, blackish color, whereas mine turned more, I would say, into a blackish color. Um, in the video that we watched, and he decided to make it kind of look like Coca-Cola. I think that's kind of what mine looks like closer. Um, but yeah, that's why the reaction works. So